What's up, guys? This is an appointment confirmation bot that automates appointment tasks like setting a reminder in your Google Calendar, updating your appointment list in Google Sheets, and then sending an email confirmation. In this workflow, when a user sends a chat message asking to schedule an appointment, our AI agent reads the message, understands the request, and then pulls out key details like the person's name, the appointment date and time, and what the appointment is about. The AI then writes a professional confirmation email using that information. Here I'm using a simple memory to store past messages so that the AI can remember conversations, and also a function node that converts the AI text response into real data so that the tools can use it. So after that, the workflow continues automatically, and then it logs the appointments in the Google Sheet. It then adds an event to the Google Calendar and finally sends out the confirmation email using Gmail, all without any manual work. This setup saves time, reduces mistakes, and then helps you stay organized with smart automation. Let's jump into it.